This is the finest automatic camera Polaroid has ever produced. With its transistorized shutter and sensitive electric eye, it will give you a perfectly exposed picture on the spot in almost any kind of light, automatically. When you shoot flash pictures in color, you don't have to worry about special settings. The camera will read the light of the flash and set the exposure automatically. You can even shoot black and white without flash in a dimly lit room and get a perfect time exposure automatically. The Polaroid Color Pack camera. Is there any other way to take pictures?